Hey investors, my name is Gustavo and this is the channel Building Financial Freedom. So here today, man, we finally got the Bitcoin ETF approved and running. So today I will be buying some shares here with you guys. I will be explaining a little bit what the Bitcoin ETF means. A lot of people, a lot of people are talking right now. They don't even know exactly what's going on. I want to give you guys a little, update on what it is. And also when I was buying, something really weird happened to me. I want to explain that to you guys too. So I'll go here first. Let's go for these people, the 11 people who took the right to buy it. Where are they? Here we go. The 11 companies that got approved through the SEC to be able to sell the Bitcoin ETFs. Here's the ticker. That's how you guys gonna use it. This is the code you're gonna use it, to buy on your exchange. So the biggest difference between all of them for me is these fees, man. And they're changing a while. In the last 2 weeks, they're all changing much more fees, and all of a sudden they start some waivers. They're waiting for a while, and then after that, they're still, getting. I don't think they will last forever this low, but let's see, right? So we have guys in 6 months or a billion, until August 1st and all this. The only one really expensive here for me is the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. It's a little salty, but it is what it is. But I will show you the biggest difference between all of them is just the fees, because they're exactly the same. And look at this. This is S&P 500. This is two S&P 500 ETFs. And look at this. On the 5-year, they run so close. They're the same line. Look, they're pretty much the same line. Even if the price is different, they only goes if it goes up too. So they go together. Look, in a year, 3 years, 5 years, 6 months. See, they run together. So the only thing that makes them different is the fees. And the Bitcoin ETF, what that means? Like the S&P 500 is 500 companies, actually 504 for some reason, in a basket. And you buy those. On the Bitcoin case, let me show you this. The Bitcoin, here we are on the screen. Then you can buy it. So with the FBTC is the Fidelity Bitcoin ETF fund. He explains no fees until starting August 1st. We'll start in fees. It'll be 25 basis points, which means 0.25%, very low. And then here is supposed to show the holdings. And look at this, top one holding. It's only one holding, 100% Bitcoin. So, but the thing is, you're not buying the Bitcoin. You are buying the paper who gives you the right to take advantage on the Bitcoin price going up or take the loss of the Bitcoin price going down. So you don't own the Bitcoin. They do it, but they generate you a paper who gives you the right. You can just buy it. And if Bitcoin price goes up, your shares go up. And if you want to sell, you sell like any other, shares for any other company. But one thing is, you do not own, you cannot transfer Bitcoins for your ETF to your wallet because you do not own the Bitcoin. You own the rights on the Bitcoin prices, up or down. Doesn't matter what happened, right? So let me show you here what happened here. All right, let me show you guys I'm buying it. Here we go. Just here, came here, right? Click on the trade. I did that on the phone. And when I click on the trade show here, I have to click on buy, right? Click buy. And then I have options. This on Fidelity is nice because you can buy dollars. Like, see, you can buy like $5. I can put here $5. You can buy even $1, just a fractional share. But in my case, I want to buy full. So I click shares, I click 5. I want to buy 5. And I want to mark it. I click preview order, right? Comes to my order here. And then I just click place order. And boom, the order is done. See, but look at this. Let me show you something here real quick. This is insane. Look at this on top. This security is subject to designated investment agreement which you have previously signed. They asked me when I was trying to buy this in the first time, they told me I couldn't buy it. I have to go for agreement. and choose between 5 options. The first option was I don't accept any kind of volatility or risk. The second one, I can have some volatility, some risk. The third option, you're getting familiar with some risks, but willing to take some. The fourth one was I'm okay with risk. I will take some risk. I will take volatility with no problems. And the fourth one was like you're super high risk investor and you don't mind losing everything. So I picked this fourth option, right? Then I came back. Then I tried to buy again and said, no. Between those 5, you have to pick the 5th option. Otherwise, you cannot buy this. So as soon as I picked this 5th option, they send me this agreement here. Saying, I understand, look at this. I am a sophisticated and experienced investor. My risk tolerance is high and I can afford to lose some or all my investment I make in this designated investment. And I have sufficient resources at Fidelity or elsewhere to sustain such losses. There's everything talking here about if I know what I'm doing. And I bought so many, stocks and ETFs before, and I never ever saw an exchange asking me this. So that's scary, right? They're asking me, so what I'm doing. Why do I need to show this much, stuff? That's just a cover there, And this, when I bought it, so I bought those 5 shares, cost me $218. I will show you guys what time I bought it. So I have 5 shares right now, the ETF, and here we go. That's right now it's 5 o'clock. So it's been 24 hours since the approval. Look at that. And the approval happened close to 4 o'clock. See, it was 40, about 46.4. See, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes, it was 46,440. Right now it's 46.5. So between yesterday and the approval, right now is about $100. It was a little, see, after the approval, somebody get excited here, and then it came to normal time, and then here's when the market opened today, 9:30. Look right here, the market was right here, 47.8, and as soon as the market opened, the first few minutes, boom, went up all the way to almost 49,000. And when it came down here, I bought around here. See, 10:05 in the morning. That's when I bought it. I bought it around 48,000, which went down, but I'm not worried about $1,000 down or $200 purchase for a long term. I know this is gonna be much more. And that's pretty much what happened. People are expecting a huge bump, like a 50,000, 60,000 in one day. But these big institutions, they already bought the Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin in October was 27. Today's 47. Those 3 months they had it, they were buying and buying. They pushed the price down. Now they already have Bitcoin. They need Bitcoin to sell the ETF, right? They have to have the asset to sell me the paper for that asset. So as soon as they run out of these Bitcoins, they sell everything they have it. They will have to get more. And that's when the prices will really keep coming. It's not right now. It will take a month, 2, and in April the halving is coming too, which the inflation Bitcoin will be cut in half. That's another great thing. So halving in April, a lot of people start bringing money to these ETFs. I think it's a good time. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you should buy, should sell anything. I only show what I do on this channel, and looks like a good call. Bitcoin is doing good. Even people on the day of the ETF will explode. No, they already bought everything they need for now. They have a seed investment. Now they have to keep growing that investment, and that's when things get exciting. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you're not a follower, or if you didn't subscribe to the channel, help us out. We have 70 something subscribers. I think 72. They're expecting to grow this channel. I know it's too small, but I'm having fun doing it. So share to your friends. If people talk about Bitcoin, you don't even know the ETF. Everybody's talking about now, but they don't know. They think you're buying Bitcoin. They think they can buy today. I heard some people say, if I buy $100 today, when am I gonna get millionaire? Maybe never. The people think it's like a magic thing. It's not. So share to friends and people they like to talk about Bitcoin, right? So click it here to subscribe to the channel right here, and click it here, and I will show you a video about Bitcoin. I have some predictions I made a few months ago, right? So thanks so much, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. See you. Bye.